Starting a business in 2025? You're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exact steps you need in order to take your idea from scratch to a profitable business. And here's the best part. You don't need a lot of money. Just need the right mindset, strategy, and execution. So without any further delay, let's dive in. Chapter 1. Ideation. Finding a profitable business idea. तो कोई भी business start करने से पहले, the first step is to find a viable business idea. The biggest mistake that new entrepreneurs do or believe in is that they have to have a unique business idea to start. But the reality is, the most successful businesses are improvements on the existing concepts, not entirely new concepts themselves. For example, phones की inventions तो 100 साल पहले हो गई थी. आज की डेट में जितने भी smartphones हैं, what are they? They are continuous improvements on them year by year. Okay, so let's discuss how to find a business idea. Number 1, identify daily problems people face. The best business ideas are those that actually solve the real world problems. Pay close attention to everyday challenges that people face, whether they are inefficiencies in the process, common complaints, or things people wish they existed. So a great way of finding these problems is by observing social media discussions, online forums, or best, ask people directly. Number 2, use AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Trends, and predictive analytics. AI tools have made it easier than ever to analyze trends and predict what industries are likely to grow. Think of ChatGPT. आप उससे ये भी पूछ सकते हो कि पनीर बटर मसाला की रेसिपी क्या है. आप उसको ये भी पूछ सकते हो कि ये मेरे फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, मेरी बिजनेस प्रोजेक्शन क्या होगी. Apart from ChatGPT, Google Trends can also help you understand what people are searching for and what are the growing interests. And then there are predictive analytics tools that can give you insight into the emerging market gaps. Number 3, validate demand using Google Keyword Planner and Reddit forums. So Google Keyword Planner shows how many people are actually searching for a specific product or service. अगर search volume ज़्यादा है, that means there's a potential demand. And of course, अगर demand already ज़्यादा है, so there's a high potential for a profitable business also. Reddit and niche Facebook groups are actually gold mines for any market research, because over there, people are openly discussing about their problems and needs. So the key takeaway is, if your idea solves a major pain point or makes life convenient, it definitely has a potential to be successful. Chapter 2, MVP, that is minimum viable product. Start small, scale fast. So once you have your business idea, the next step is to test it out small without spending a lot of money. That's where the MVP or the minimum viable product comes in. So let me tell you what's an MVP. MVP is nothing but a simplified version of your own product or service that you can test it out small without actually investing a lot of money into it. So why do you even need an MVP? Many startups fail because they spend months, even years, and a lot of money into building something that nobody even wants. An MVP allows you to launch quickly, gather customer feedback, and make necessary adjustments and iterations before you can actually invest heavily into it. How to build an MVP without wasting money. So for a physical product, instead of manufacturing thousands of units, start selling small or use a drop shipping model to test the demand. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. That reduces risk. For digital products, say if you're trying to sell an online course, maybe create a short webinar or actually have a mini course and see if people are ready to pay for it. Or if you're developing a software, try to create a prototype and launch it to a small group of beta users. And for service businesses, before you actually set up a full-scale service agency, try to set up and offer your services on a one-to-one basis to a fewer clients. And this will help you refine your process and help you understand your client's needs better. The key takeaway over here is that the goal of an MVP is to get the real-time feedback as fast as possible before you invest heavily into it. Chapter 3, building a team, because you can't do everything alone. Many new entrepreneurs make the mistake of trying to do everything by themselves. But the truth is, no successful business can be run by a single person, because delegation and collaboration are essential for growth. How to build a team without hiring full-time employees. Number 1, freelancers for specific tasks. You can use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr that allow you to hire highly skilled freelancers for tasks like graphic designing, content writing, and virtual assistant. This way, you get expert level work without committing to full-time salaries. Number 2, co-founders and strategic partnerships. If you lack an expertise in a certain area, consider bringing in a co-founder that can actually complement your skills. So for example, if you're great at marketing but lack technical knowledge, so a co-founder with the software development skills can be a huge asset. So the key takeaway over here is focus on what you do best and delegate everything else to whether contractors, employees, freelancers, or partners. Chapter 4, product market fit, the key to business survival. No matter how great your product is, But if there is no demand for it, your business will fail. Achieving product market fit means creating a product that customers truly want and are willing to pay for it. So let's discuss the steps to achieve product market fit fast. Number 1, talk to your first 10 customers. Instead of guessing what your customer wants, directly ask them about their needs and preferences. You can also conduct in-depth interviews with your first few customers to really understand their problems. Number 2, run a beta test before a full-scale launch. Instead of launching to the mass audience, release your product first to a test group. This allows you to gather real customer feedback before you launch it full scale and make improvements. Number 3, analyze customer behavior. Look at how people use your product. If they love it, they will naturally recommend it to other people. A high customer retention rate and a positive word of mouth are indicators of a product market fit. The key takeaway over here is the market decides that your business will succeed or not. So listen to your customers. Chapter 5, product or service launch, making a powerful first impression. Launching a product is a critical moment that decides whether your business will gain momentum or it struggles. So here are some strategies for an effective launch. Number 1, soft launch to a small audience. Instead of launching to the entire world, start with a small group of people. This will allow you to fix any problems that come up before launching it full scale. Number 2, pre-launch hype and email list building. Start promoting your product weeks or even months before the launch. Use teaser campaigns and build an effective email waitlist because people are more likely to buy if they are anticipating the launch. Number 3, leverage influencers and user-generated content. Partner with social media influencers in your niche to create excitement and build hype. Encourage early customers to share their experiences through social media posts, testimonials, and reviews. The key takeaway over here is your launch is not about making sales. It's about making an impact. Chapter 6, customer service and after-sales support, turning your buyers into lifelong customers. One of the biggest mistakes the new businesses make is focusing too much into client acquisition, that is, focusing on getting new clients and neglecting the existing ones. In reality, retaining an existing customer is 5 times cheaper than acquiring a new one. A great customer experience can turn a first-time buyer into a loyal fan who keeps coming back and, more importantly, refer your business to others. Why after-sales service is a secret to business growth. Think about companies like Amazon and Apple. They don't just sell products, they provide great customer service to keep their customers loyal. When the customers trust your brand, they will choose you over the competitors and even pay more for your products or services. So let's discuss how to provide exceptional customer support even with a small team. Number 1, quick response times means happy customers. Nobody likes waiting for support. Ensure you respond to the customer's queries within 24 hours or less. Use chatbots and automated email responses for instant replies and then follow up with a human response. If you're in service-based businesses, personalized email responses go a long way in building trust. So there are multiple tools you can use. For example, Zendesk and Freshdesk that you can use for email and ticket-based support. Live chat software like Intercom and WhatsApp Business API for direct real-time support. Number 2, offer a hassle-free return and refund policy. Businesses that offer easy refunds and returns build credibility. Even if you lose money on few returns, you gain trust and increase lifetime customer value. For example, Amazon's no questions asked return policy keeps the customers happy and encourages them to make repeated purchases. Follow up with customers post-purchase. A simple thank you email or a follow-up phone call asking if they need help can form a strong bond with your customers. If you're selling a digital product, offer a quick start guide or exclusive tip to help them make the most of their purchase. Number 4, encourage and act on customer feedback. Set up a Google Form survey or a simple feedback system on your website. If multiple customers complain about the same issue, fix it ASAP. This shows that you care about your customers. Number 5, turn happy customers into brand ambassadors. Offer discounts or referral bonuses to encourage customers to refer their friends. A great referral system can help you grow business organically without a lot of investment. For example, Tesla has grown largely through their word of mouth and referral programs rather than traditional advertising. The key takeaway over here is the business that values its customers after the sale will always outlast its competitors. If people trust you, they will buy it from you again and again and tell others to buy it from you as well. So ask yourself this: if I am my own customer, am I happy with the service I'm receiving?